Let's continue with the media strategy part. Cost per rating point CPRP. The broadcast media provide a different comparative cost figure referred to as cost per rating point or cost per point CPP based on the following formula. CPRP is equal to cost of commercial time upon program rating. Daily inch rate for newspaper cost effectiveness is based on the daily inch rate, which is the cost per column inch of the paper. Like magazines, newspapers now use the cost per thousand formula discussed earlier to determine relative cost. Target CPM, TCPM. The target CPM or TCPM, which calculates CPMs based on the target audience and not on the overall audience. Readers per copy. Magazine advertising space sellers have argued for years that because more than one person may read an issue, the actual reach is underestimated. They want to use the number of readers per copy as the true circulation. Pass along rate. Pass along rate estimating the number of people who read the magazine without buying it. There are problems in media planning. There is insufficient information, inconsistent terminologies, there are time pressures, difficult in measuring effectiveness. How the media plan is developed. So we need to do first market analysis. On the basis of market analysis, we need to establish media objectives on the basis of which the media strategy will be developed and will be implemented with the evaluation and follow-up of the strategy. Internal and external factors are operating. Media strategies are influenced by both internal and external factors operating at any given time. Internal factors may involve the size of media budget, managerial and administrative capabilities, or the organization of the agency. External factors may include the economy, the rising cost of media, changes in technology, the availability of new media and new buying methods, competitive factors, and the like. While some of this information may require primary research, much information is available through secondary sources, including magazines, syndicated services, news sources, and outlines. Criteria considered for development of media plan: the media mix, the target market coverage, geographic coverage, scheduling, reach and frequency, regency, creative aspect and mood, flexibility, and budget consideration. So with this, we complete the point media strategy under integrated marketing communication subject.